Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off grayscale inverted screen color on the iPhone 14 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Zoom. Next, tap on Zoom Filter. And in here, tap on Grayscale Inverted. And then swipe up to return back to your home screen. Now you can see that the display is now in grayscale, but it is in inverted. So everything on black is now turned to white, and anything in white turns to black. And after a while, if you want to go back to the standard color, you can go back into Settings and then head to the Zoom Filter menu and choose None, and this will return back to a standard color, and that is also how you can turn off grayscale inverted. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.